Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing a persistent wallpaper app, Wallpaper Engine, or Rain Meter, because the built-in OS background system evicts videos. Once done, move the chosen wallpaper files into a permanent folder so the app always finds them. Next, give the app permission in Firewall and App Settings and enable its Run at Startup option. This ensures the player launches before you open other apps. Make these small changes now because they prevent the desktop service from reclaiming resources later. Once the app is installed, make it resilient. Create a scheduled task that launches at user logon with a 30-second delay and runs with highest privileges. This avoids race conditions during startup. Then, disable background app optimization and battery saver for that process so the OS doesn't suspend it during low power. Finally, configure the app to auto-restart on crash and set its process priority to normal or above. That way, the wallpaper stays running through routine load and sleep cycles. Now finish by testing. Reboot twice and confirm the wallpaper app is active and playing after login. If it fails, check Task Scheduler, disable any power plan settings that suspend background apps, and verify the app is allowed to run at startup. Make sure GPU drivers are current because driver sleep can kill accelerated wallpapers. If problems persist, reapply the scheduled task or create a simple startup. That relaunches the wallpaper as a fallback. This covers most failure modes and keeps your live wallpaper running.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.